I'm going to tell you how you can put copyrighted music into your YouTube video today. Hello, I'm BK and welcome to my little channel. I do mostly small tech tips and I don't upload much. So if you find this video useful, please consider subscribing to my little channel, show me some support. Now, if you want to put some copyrighted music into your YouTube video, like Oasis or Beyonce, you can. And I will show you the only way. There are two conditions, and condition number one is a big one. You shouldn't care if YouTube and copyright holder monetize your video and take the revenue from it. Personally, I don't mind. I have a vlog channel and I used to spend hours and hours trying to find free music for my vlogs, and I decided it's not worth it. So from now on, I will put copyrighted music I know I can put into my vlogs. If my channel grows in the future, I will consider buying some Epidemic Sound or Artlist subscription, but at the moment I'm using the songs I want and I let them keep the money. The second condition is that you cannot use all the music you want. But I will show you how to check if some song is okay to use in YouTube video and some song is not. Here we are on my channel. And from here, you should click on, I will click on my icon, you click on your icon and go to Creator Studio. This is Creator Studio Classic. I didn't find this in beta, but it is in Classic. Click down below here, where it says Create. And this will bring you to that audio library YouTube has. I never liked this music here, but below that is something called Music Policies. You can also come to this page by typing this right here, and it will bring you here. So these are the songs the YouTube listed which have music policies on them. Let me show you. For example, let's see Gangnam Style from Psy. You can use this song viewable worldwide, ads can appear. That means that you can put this song into your YouTube video. Ads will appear or will not appear. I have some videos with ads, some without ads, and they will take the money from that video. So you can use Gangnam Style and put it in your YouTube video. YouTube will send you notification that the video is claimed. You will give them the money and that is it, if there is money to be made. Here we are, for example, Beyonce is smart. She is giving her music also. You can use Beyonce's music. In most cases, artists have similar policies for all the songs, but not always. You should always check for particular song you wish to use. For example, Lady Gaga. I know Lady Gaga is blocked worldwide. She doesn't want you to use her songs anywhere. For example, let us say you wish to find Thunderstruck from AC/DC. So here is the Thunderstruck song. You cannot use original version from AC/DC, but you can use this song from two cellos. It is excellent and I have used it before in my videos. So this is the only way you can use copyrighted music if you don't mind YouTube taking the money and copyright holder. And if you find the song you wish to use here and it is available in your country. So guys, this is it. Go to Music Policies page, check the song you wish to use. If you can use it in your vlog. They will take the money or they will not take the money. It depends how much views you have. But personally, I don't care. If they want to take few cents from my videos, let them take it. I will save the time. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I have helped you. If I did, please like the video, consider subscribing to my little channel, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.